Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing WPS spreadsheet and your dataset so analysis is accurate. Once opened, make sure the Data tab and the Analysis Tool Pack or WPS Statistical add-in are enabled. This gives you the tools you need. Next, clean obvious issues. Remove blank rows, check headers, and convert the range to a table or named range so formulas and tools target the right cells. After that, select the columns you plan to analyze and move straight to the data analysis options. Now you run the specific statistical procedure in Data right arrow Data Analysis to get results. You choose the tool, Descriptive Statistics for quick summaries or regression for relationships, and then set the input range. Make sure to check labels if your selection includes headers, choose an output range or a new sheet to keep results tidy. Adjust options such as confidence level, residuals, or diagnostics depending on the test. Once run, scan summary tables and key metrics to confirm the procedure executed correctly. Finish by reviewing and visualizing results so you can act on them. You should read means, standard deviations, p-values, and r-squared, then create a histogram or scatter plot with a trend line to illustrate patterns. Make sure to format outputs and label axes clearly. Once satisfied, save the workbook and export any summary tables or charts you need. If the data analysis option is missing, enable add-ins, restart WPS, or update the application. This usually restores the toolset quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.